Hey guys, happy Monday. We got 4 Temporal Forces packs straight from Royal Caribbean's cruise. Mother-in-law went on a trip. She brought these back for us, so we're gonna look at them, see what we got. So we got 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Let's open up and see. Oh, Zilla came to visit. All right, pack 1. Here we go. Meditite, Tyranitar, Hoot Hoot, Beldum, Salvador, Palafin, Screamtail, Electivire, Reverse Hollow, Lincoln Rock, Reverse Hollow, and then we got a Gengar EX. Look at that beauty. She's so pretty. Look at how cute she is. That's an awesome card. Put that away. That is an awesome card. Never got a Gengar before. All right, pack number 1. Not too bad. Pack 2. Pack 2. We have Wiglet, Meltan, Seedot, Totodile, Sableye, Iron Valiant. We got a Rescue Board. We have Bramlin, a Reverse Hollow. Heavy Baton, a Reverse Hollow. And, Iron Boulder EX. Not too bad. And then our energy. Didn't even know cruise ships had Pokemon cards until my mother-in-law got back. Now I know it's secret stuff. All right, pack 3. Redemption numbers. All right, Totodile, Deerling, Pidove, Pineco, Lincoln Rock, Delcatty. Keep that for the wifey. She likes to collect the cats. Future Booster Energy Capsule, Fluttermane, Hollow, Shiftry Hollow, and Roaring Moon Hollow. Not too bad. All right, last pack magic. All right, last pack. Let's get it. Redemption. Lickety, Matang, Carkol, Rattle, Perilous Jungle, Infestant, Eerie, Raichu Reverse Hollow, Extra Reverse Hollow, and Melmetal Hollow. Very excited about this hit. Got our Iron Boulder EX. Not too bad for cruise ship